A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to all of you to today's class. Before starting the class, let's do Brahmanath. Om Santi Santi Santi. So dear students, today we are going to read the chapter model, and in the model we are going to focus on present and future possibility by using may, might and could. In the previous class we have discussed activity number 20, and today we are going to discuss activity number 21, but before starting the activity let us focus on the use of may, might and could. Look, may, might, could, these three models are completely focusing on possibility, that is present and future possibility. It is clearly mentioned here. But if these three models are referring to possibility, then what is the difference in between these three? You must be thinking like this. Look, may, might, could. Whenever you are quite sure of the thing, it may rain today, it means it's going to rainfall. Understood? It might rain today, it means you are not sure. Okay, means where more surety is there, you have to use may. Less than may is might, less than might is could. Okay, this is the basic difference in between these three types of model. May is referring to more possibility, then might is referring to less possibility, could is referring to least possibility. Okay. So now let's discuss the question of activity number 21. Okay. So see, who is the girl Madhu is talking to? I am not sure. It is mentioned I am not sure. If it is mentioned I am sure, see, maybe her sister or she is her sister. But here it is not mentioned that, it is mentioned I am not sure. It means the speaker is not sure that who Madhu is talking to. So in this case we have to use she might be her sister. Okay, write down she might be her sister. Understood it? Now look at the second question. Why are the boys shouting? I don't know. They play. They, least possibility, they might be playing. Might be playing. Over. Next question, see. Where is Manisha? I have no idea. She does study in the library. So here what is the appropriate one? Look, study. Might be study is not correct. Might be studying. So here what is mentioned? Here you also can write down could. Okay, could is also possible. See, might be studying in the library. Let's focus the next question. Who is that man with Bijoy? I am not sure. It does be his uncle. It might be his uncle. It might be his uncle. So here most of the cases you have to use might, because you are not sure, you are not less sure, you are less sure. Okay, means you are choosing the middle one. Next question. Shall I tell the minister about you? You'd better not. He does think I want to ask him for a favor. So here may is appropriate. Look, try to understand the question. The question is given that someone is going to favor, means going to speak for you to the minister, but you don't want to do this one because the person may think, means you are quite sure that the person will definitely think like this. So here it is, he may think I want to ask him for a favor. Understood it? So here might be his uncle. Here only I have written the question, but you did just write it down in your copy. Who is the girl Madhu is talking to? I am not sure. She might be her sister. Okay. Second one. Why are the boys shouting? I don't know. They might be playing. Where is Manisha? I have no idea. She might be studying in the library. Who is that man with Bijoy? I am not sure. It might be his uncle. Shall I tell the minister about you? You'd better not. He may think I want to ask him for a favor. Okay, so with this your activity number 21 is over. Now let's go to activity number 22. Look, in this activity nothing is being given, but the activity is only for you. How? Look at the instruction what is being given. You also can go through your book. You are going for a walk and you suddenly see a mysterious flying object high up in the sky. Make 5 guesses about what the object could be. Did you understand what is given? So what you have to do? Suddenly you are just going on a walk and you notice that there is a flying object in the sky, and when you did see it, you were just unable to find out what is it, but you are making guess that this one might be this one might be that one, okay, this one might be an alien, okay, means lots of thinking, might be a ghost, okay. So a number of thinkings are coming to your mind and you have to write down 5 sentences by taking the guess that you have made, okay. Actually this one should be done by you, but I am writing it down, okay, you just note it down in your copy. But you also can change the sentence, you can write down by your own also, that is not at all an issue. So here, what should I write down the first one? So, mystery subject, it, you can write down, it might be a balloon, okay, it might be a balloon. Possibility is there that a balloon, a colorful balloon is flying and you are unable to, means different shape, heart shape, triangle, okay, all the shapes are coming now, flower shape, so different shape, a very means unique balloon is flying in the sky. And you also can write down, it might be a skylark, okay, this one also you can write down, means anything that comes to your mind you can write it down, but the sentence must be grammatically correct, okay. Or you also can write down, it might be a shoulder coming down from an aircraft, that a shoulder is coming down to earth because of some particular mission. You also can write down this one. You also can write down, it might be some broken part of an aeroplane, so this one also you can write down, it might be a broken part of an aeroplane. This one also you can write down, no issue, means whatever, listen, it is mentioned, you have to guess it, nothing particular is being given. You also can write down, it might be a drone, okay, drones are also flying, or it might be a remote control aeroplane, okay, or it might be a remote control toy that is flying in the sky. This one also you can write down, okay. And you also can write down, it might be a parachute, okay, this one also might be a parachute. So likewise you have to form the sentence. Look, whatever I have written, it is not compulsory you are going to write down the same thing. You can write down, it might be a balloon, you can write down, it might be a remote controlled aircraft, it might be a drone, okay, or you can write down something unique, means normally students are quite creative, you can write down something by yourself. So any answer will be correct, but it should be grammatically correct, okay, understood. So likewise you have to do your activity number 22. So with this your section 7 is over. Now let's go to section 8. Listen, in this section only one point is being given, that we can use this may, might and could with some verbs by using present perfect tense in order to indicate the past incident. Understood it? So here look, this may, might and could, these three can be used particularly with some verbs in the present perfect tense. Okay, because present perfect is the only tense where the time is past but the tense is present. Understood? So here these models can be used in present perfect tense to refer some of the past possibility. Okay, understood? Used with some verbs in present perfect tense to indicate past ability. Okay, understood this one? So only this single point is there in this section. Okay, nothing more is there. You just go through it. Still if you have doubt you can ask me. So let's discuss one activity from this section. Now see, I have written the activities, and by looking at the activities you need to write down the answer. And what are being given here? Here you have to use, these are the verbs win, pass, forget, go, fall asleep. So these are the verbs and we have to use might, may or could by taking the verb form of present perfect tense, and that will indicate the past possibility. Understood? So here let's do the activity. The other teams were not good, so our team might, then present perfect, subject plus have or had. What is the structure? Structure is subject, have or had plus past participle form of the verb, V3 form. So here the answer will be the other teams were not good, so our team might have won. Okay, look at the second one. You know where the library is, don't you? You dash pass it on your way here. You might have passed it on your way here. Is it clear? Look at the next question. The lights on, they dash forgot to switch it off. So here the answer will be they might have forgotten to switch it off. Next question. I did not hear the child's voice and I thought he fell asleep. He might have fallen. Okay, understood? Might have fallen asleep. Okay, clear? Next question. Our teacher is not at home. He does go to meet a friend. He could have gone to meet a friend. With this, your section 8 is over, and this is the answer of your activity number. This is section activity. Okay, activity 23. So the other teams were not good, so our team might have won. You know where the library is, don't you? You might have passed it on your way here. The lights on. They might have forgotten to switch it off. I did not hear the child's voice and I thought he might have fallen asleep. Our teacher is not at home. He could have gone to meet a friend. So with this, your section 8 is completely over. You just write it down everything in your copy. Your copy must be updated. Okay. So till that time, thank you. Have a nice day.